Who remembers these little zip zaps?
Hey, in the mood for a little fun? Well, you're in the right place, because only Radio Shack has the original and best mini radio-controlled vehicles, Zip Zaps Micro RCs.
I was out back in my shop the other day and kind of going through some stuff, and I forgot I even had this. So this little case in here and these little bodies in here. I'm like, well, what do I have in here? So I opened it up, and of course I guess I got a little drone stashed off in here also. I have no idea if that even works or not. That thing's tiny, little bitty thing. But yeah, it's a bunch of zip zaps. Here's a remote control. A little Trans Am right here. I got the Smokey and the Bandit one. And then got a little Camaro here, Challenger. These are all from the Fast and Furious series. Hold on, maybe they got more stuff here. That's drone, parts for the drone. There's wheels for the zip zaps. Get this case open here. And then there's more bodies. Let me get these bodies out here, get this case out of the way. Now I think I bought this because there's a Audi body with a light kit on it. So I think this is originally what I bought. So I bought the Audi and then I bought the extra parts, the Fast and Furious, which I'm not sure if that's Fast and Furious car or not. Brian's Nissan Skyline. And then the Smokey and the Bandit Trans Am. And here's all the wheels that goes with all this stuff. And I'm like, well, I forgot all about these. And these came out a long time ago. I mean, like 2002, 2003. And I know I got them when they came out. They were so cool when I first saw them. And I'm just curious to see if they even work. So it kind of changes channels there. I got batteries for it right here. So let's put these batteries in here. If it doesn't work, I found a replacement battery for the little car. So if I feel like it, I might replace that battery, get it working. But I'm just curious. It's like this thing's over 20 years old. So I'm just curious to see if it even works. I must have that in backwards or something. Yeah, I did. I had it in backwards. Pay attention, Brian. Okay, there we go. So that's on. And last time, remember, you got to turn the car on to charge it. Well, it had something in it. All right, nothing there. So, all right. Lights flashing red. So it's charging. All right, we're gonna let it charge, and then we'll come back when it's charged and see if this thing even works. Well, it turned green, so let's see if it's actually charged up. Get all this stuff out of the way here. The little release button. Making noises. Got the little antenna on here. How funny. It's got steering. It works. Not well, but it works. How funny is that? Yeah, I might get the replacement battery for it. Doesn't work very well, but after 20 years, it still works. So that's pretty impressive. Look cool. Just wanted to show you all that. I thought it was a kick. Like I said, I haven't seen a Radio Shack in a long time, and these were pretty cool when they first came out. A lot of cool looking little bodies. I'm really proud to have the Paul Walker Skyline and the Camaro too. That's pretty cool. But cool. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'll put a link in the description for a battery for a replacement for this thing if y'all actually, if you know, or if you have one or anything like that, if y'all want to kind of redo it. recharge it, and they're still fun. But anyway, guys, y'all be good and take care.